everyone, I'm here today to review the mini microstick voice activated audio recorder. So first things first, I'm just showing you all the different components that would come with the product upon purchase. So you have an external battery pack, a USB cable, headphones, the full 9 yards, everything needed to get it up and going. So now let's go ahead and give you a little run through as to how it works. So we'll start by powering on the device. Hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds to do so, and then I'm going to enable the voice activation by pressing and holding down that joystick till we saw it say VOS on. Now we can start a recording by hitting that red record button. So we'll do a quick little test run just to show you guys. And the cool thing about this product is you can play everything directly back from the device, either with the onboard speaker or through the included headphones, giving you a lot of flexibility. And on top of that, you can also delete everything directly from the device, meaning you never have to take it to a computer. But on that note, I am going to briefly show you how to get it all set up on a computer if needed. So let's go ahead and do that. So first things first, plug it in through the USB cable and open up your file explorer, and then locate this PC and find memo queue. From here, I did briefly just set the date and time just to show you guys, and I did have 2 sample recordings on here just as an example.
Test 1, 2, 3.
Briefly, I was just showing you these different recordings, and then you do have full access to either download, delete, save, whatever's needed at that point directly to the computer, either by dragging and dropping it straight to the desktop or your recycle bin, whatever's needed. And on top of that, it's a very sleek design. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for future review videos.